How often should you get a salon-grade deep conditioning treatment? The frequency depends on your hair type, condition, and styling habits. For dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, a deep conditioning treatment is recommended every 2 to 4 weeks. If your hair is chemically processed, bleached, or frequently heat-styled, you may need treatments every 1 to 2 weeks to restore moisture and strength. For healthy, untreated hair, a deep conditioning session every 6 to 8 weeks helps maintain hydration and shine. Curly, coily, or textured hair types naturally require more moisture, so monthly treatments can help prevent frizz and breakage. Salon-grade deep conditioning treatments penetrate deeper than at-home masks, providing long-lasting hydration and repair. These treatments can improve elasticity, smoothness, and overall hair manageability. If you notice brittle, frizzy, or dull hair, it's a sign you need a professional deep conditioning boost. Using color-safe, sulfate-free products at home can help extend the benefits of your salon treatments. Pairing deep conditioning with regular trims and protective styling helps keep hair strong and healthy. Consult with your stylist to create a personalized deep conditioning schedule based on your hair's needs. With consistent care, you can achieve soft, shiny, and resilient hair that looks and feels its best,